troubles of his own, who's quite close near was Mr. Bear. Look, watch out, there's danger up ahead. If you hang it, that will be the end, no doubt. And he advanced, but away in haste, didn't wait around and the meal should be tasted. But it wasn't very long, just a short while, with a great big smile came Mr. Crocodile. Look, watch out, there's danger up ahead. If you hang on, that will be the end, no doubt. Charles' birthday had come at once. As he eyed up the yummy lunch, he swished his tail and made for Billy Bear, who said, "Sorry, Mr. Croc, I'm out of here. I'd love to see